There's a ring of ash and a hidden door. Dust on my palms, salt in the seams. The candle flame bends like it's hearing dreams. Speak low, speak true to the bruised blue night. The lock turns once in the silver light. Ancient magic wake, hidden wonders wake, awaken now. Ancient magic wake, under stone and lace, under stone and lace. River-etched stones in the garden bed, 3 glass beads and a foxglove thread. Every cracked seal keeps a softer glow. Every closed hand has a place to show. Speak low, speak true, let the hollow sing. The sealed up world has a gold-lit wing. Ancient magic wake, hidden wonders wake, awaken now. Ancient magic wake, under stone and lace, under stone and lace. There's a key in the dark made of moonflower bone. There's a name on the wind that was never alone. So open the hush, let the hidden come near. What was lost in the deep is still listening here. Ancient magic wake, hidden wonders wake, awaken now. Ancient magic wake, all the old worlds rise, all the old worlds a tangle of yarn, a wooden block, just waiting there, no sound, no shock. My fingers start to pick and twine, a secret held in every line. The quiet hum inside my head, each time you knock, each thought I fed. It's taking root, it's taking hold, a story waiting to unfold. Oh, watch it wait, watch it unfurl, a little piece of wonder in the world. It takes a breath, it starts to stir, more than just what it appears. A lump of clay, a splash of pain, a gentle brush, no rush, no feint. The shape begins, a silent plea to find the form it wants to be. The quiet hum inside my head, each tiny knock, each thought I fed. It's taking root, it's taking hold, a story waiting just what it appears. I pour my wonder, my own spark into its curves, into its arc. It's just a thing made by my hand, but feels like something new, unplanned. A small rebellion, soft and deep, a silent promise it'll keep. Oh, watch it wait, wait, watch it unfurl. A little piece of wonder in the world. It takes a breath, it starts to stir, more than just what it appears. It carries whispers soft and true, a secret life, a brand new hue. Glitter dust falls on my spell book. Little stars call, take a closer look. Stir the pot slow, watch the colors bloom. Magic starts to flow, chasing away the gloom. Bubbles they pop, a secret ingredient. Never ever stop feeling so magnificent. Stir the pot slow, watch the colors bloom. Magic starts to flow, chasing starts to flow, chasing away the gloom. Whispers in the air, a tiny little wish beyond all true